Hey everyone, welcome back. Glad to have you with us today, diving into a topic that's got everyone talking: Taylor Swift's incredible response to Hurricane Milton.
Yeah, it's definitely making headlines.
And for good reason. Less than 2 weeks after Hurricane Helene, Florida's hit again, this time by Hurricane Milton. Millions are without power, facing a long road to recovery.
It's a devastating 1-2 punch for the state.
Absolutely. And amidst all of this, we see Taylor Swift stepping up in a big way, donating $5 million to Feeding America for hurricane relief. So we're digging into the details of this incredible act of generosity, looking specifically at recent news reports.
Definitely worth a closer look.
First off, let's just acknowledge $5 million, that's huge. Feeding America themselves even said they're immensely grateful for her extraordinary generosity.
They're a pretty big deal themselves, right?
Yeah, for those who don't know, they're this massive organization, one of the biggest in the U.S., dedicated to fighting hunger and responding to disasters like this.
They've got a network of food banks all over the country, so they're really on the ground making a tangible difference.
Which is exactly what's needed right now. And Feeding America's CEO, Helen, was pretty clear about how Swift's donation will be used. Immediate relief efforts like food, water, and essential supplies.
The bare necessities that people need to survive in the aftermath.
Exactly. But it's not just about the immediate needs, it's also about the long haul. Part of this donation is going towards long-term rebuilding and even improving the way they get help to those who need it most.
Strengthening those distribution networks is so key, especially in those crucial hours and days after a disaster strikes.
Totally. And, this isn't a one-time thing for Taylor Swift. She's been involved in disaster relief before, right?
Oh, absolutely. Remember back in 2020 when those tornadoes ripped through Tennessee? She donated $1 million back then.
That's right.
And then again in 2023, another $1 million for the Tennessee tornadoes that year. It's like she has a personal connection to it, being from Tennessee and all.
Yeah, makes sense. And it goes beyond these big events, too. Didn't she also support food banks throughout her Eras tour?
She did. Remember that story about the Carta Food Bank?
Oh, yeah.
They said it was the single largest donation they'd ever received.
That's wild. What an impact.
Totally transformed their situation. The CEO even said they could finally shift from just keeping up with immediate needs to actually building a sustainable operation.
Wow, that's incredible. Really highlights how these actions have a ripple effect. It's not just about writing a check, it's about inspiring others to get involved.
Exactly. And it makes you think about the influence of celebrities in situations like this. It's the money, sure, but it's also the attention it brings, the conversations it sparks.
It's true. You almost can't put a price tag on that kind of awareness. It makes you wonder how these high-profile donations, especially after massive disasters like these hurricanes, actually influence people's opinions and make them think, hey, maybe I can help too.
That's the real question, isn't it? Like, how much does it actually move the needle in terms of public perception and encouraging others to donate? I mean, it's not a simple answer.
Not at all. But it definitely speaks volumes about the kind of platform she has and the responsibility that comes with it.
For sure.
It's really inspiring to see her using her platform to make such a tangible difference, using her resources and her voice to bring about positive change.